Well, in the world of pediatric research, the success stories of children overcoming rare diseases are what keep families hopeful. However, we don't hear about the decision-making process that those families have to go through beforehand. So we want to shed a little light on those experiences. There's more than 7,000 rare pediatric diseases, and only 5% of those have an FDA-approved drug. And 1 in 3 children with a rare disease won't see their 5th birthday. It's a cruel reality. But the reason that 1 child does see their 5th birthday, and the reason that 350 of those rare diseases do have an FDA-approved drug, is research. Each year, the National Institute of Health puts $1 out of every $10 in its research budget toward pediatric research. And recently opened in Kansas City, the Children's Mercy Research Institute collects genomic data from kids with these rare and complex diseases to assist in finding new treatments and cures. However, signing your child up to be part of a trial or any kind of research can be a really difficult decision for those families to make, especially when every choice and every second is that much more sacred. And that's why Dr. Tom Curran, the executive director of the Kansas City Institute, stresses the importance of understanding and care for medical professionals when they're speaking with new families.
Because the families who partner with us are true pioneers. They're taking a chance on new technologies. And we can't promise, we can't say, oh, we'll definitely find a target, we'll definitely find a drug, because actually that can be pretty rare. So when we approach families, we make it clear that we're looking for answers. We can't promise you we'll find an answer, and the answer may not affect the therapy. So we want the families to know that they're actually real partners in discovery, and they're helping us treat future generations of children, even if they themselves don't directly benefit.
Being done at the Research Institute has played a critical role in both the diagnosis and recovery of many kids already. And the goal is to acquire genomic information from as many as 30,000 children with rare or complex diseases, and by doing so, they'll be able to create a database of close to 100,000 genomes. Well, this coming Sunday is Rare Disease Day, and not only are the majority of them genetic, but get this, 70% of genetic rare diseases actually begin in childhood. It's one of the many reasons why pediatric research has the ability to make such a difference, and why these children and these families are pioneers who deserve all the credit in the world. We'll be right back on the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14 right after this.